Okay, good evening all. So today we need to continue to our next lesson, which is lesson number 3, operating systems and file management. Adapi start කරන්න යන ඔයගලගේ තුන්වෙනි lesson එක operating systems and file management කියන lesson එක. ඉතින් කලින් lesson එක lesson number 2 එකේ අපි ආයෙ කතා කරන්න ඕන කොටසක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. What we need to discuss is we need to discuss about in the lesson number 2 we need to discuss the workbook part. But I will keep that part for like in the waiting queue until next week. Next week like just keep it in the waiting queue until next week. Then we can continue to our lesson number 3, which is operating systems and file management. That is our lesson this way. Okay, an operating system. Basically, operating system, we have learned that operating system is a middleman between our computer and us. අපි සහ අපේ computer එක අතර මැදියෙක් විදිහට තමයි operating system එක කටයුතු කරන්නේ. අපි ඒක ඉගෙන ගත්තා. We want to tell something to our computer, we need to tell it to the operating system first. If we want to tell something to the computer, first of all, we need to tell that to our operating system. Actually, operating system will then pass that to the computer hardware. For an example, if you want to type letter A here, first of all, I need to tell the operating system, first of all, I need to tell the application software. Actually, Zoom here. Zoom can application software. First, when we want to type, right, first of all, when we want to type letter A here, A type karanna. So what happens basically, right, when we want to type letter A here, you can see A is displayed in the screen. But අපි දන්නේ නැහැ කොහොමද මේ A එක display වෙන්නේ. Right, how this letter A is displayed. Right? But actually speaking, in order to display this letter A, some lights on the screen need to be turned on and some lights of the screen need to be turned off. Samhara light on වෙන්න ඕන, samhara light off වෙන්න ඕන. එහෙම තමයි A අකුර display වෙන්නේ. හැබැයි අපිට ඒක computer එකට කියන්න තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. මම පෙන්නන්නම් ඔයාලට මේ A අකුර type වෙන්න computer එක ඇතුලේ වෙලා තියෙන සිද්ධිය. Okay, let's see that using a microscope. අපි පුංචි microscope එකකින් බලමු. මේ A අකුර type වෙන්න computer එක ඇතුලේ මොනවද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Okay, I'm using a microscope now and I'm checking whether what has happened in my computer to type this letter A in the screen. Okay, here is letter A now. You can see letter A now in my screen. Let me show this. Can you see this letter A? In order to show the letter A in the screen, you can see here letter A in red color in the screen. These red bulbs are now turned on. Letter A in the white background. Hari sudhu pada background එක letter A type කරන්න ඕන. See, if you want to type letter A in a white color background, this is black color background. If it is in a white color or some other color background, can you see the other lights? Anik lights RGB, red, green, blue lights ඔක්කොම පත්තු වෙද්දී අර A අකුරට අදාළ lights විතරක් ඔන්න A අකුරට අදාළ lights විතරක් red color එකෙන් ඔයාලට තනින් තන පෙන්නනවා. මේ තියෙන A අකුරේ තනින් තන පේනවා. මම A අකුර මකන්නම්. ඔන්න now I'm going to erase that, right? ඔන්න මම දැන් ඒක මකනවා. හරි, erase or clear කරනකොටම බලන්න. ඔන්න clear කරනවා 1 2 3 A අකුර තියෙන තැන දැක්ක නේද? මේ තියෙන A අකුර. මම රවුමකුත් ඇඳලා පෙන්නන්නම් ඕන්න මේ තියෙන. ඔන්න A අකුර තියෙන තැන. හරි, ඔන්න ඔතන තමයි මම මාළු පෙන්න ඉන්නේ දැන් ඈ. මේ තියෙන A අකුර තමයි පෙන්නේ. ඕ දැන් A අකුර තිබරතු පාට කැලේ. තමයි. දැන් ඔන්න මම ක්ලියර් කරනවා. I'm going to clear it. ක්ලියර් කරනකොටම වෙන දේ බලන්න මේ බල්බ්ස් වලට. දැක්කද? ඔන්න undo කරනවා. ඔන්න redo, undo, redo, undo, redo, undo, redo, undo, redo, undo reverse කරනවා redo කරනවා. එතකොට A type වෙනවා අයින් වෙනවා A type වෙනවා අයින් වෙනවා. පේනවද මේ bulbs වලට වෙන දේ? මේක කරන්න අපිට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේක handle කරන්නේ අපේ operating system එක. ලක්මාලි බැලුවද නිවෙත්ගේ ප්‍රශ්නේ?
ඔව් සර් මට නිවෙත්ව කන්ටැක්ට් කරගන්න ක්‍රමයක් තිබ්බේ නැහැ සර් ඒකයි රිප්ලයි කරන්න සර්.
මම ආයෙ ගන්නම් දැන් ආයෙ ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් වෙයි ආවට පස්සේ. ආයෙ ආවිල්ලා ටිකකින් ඩිස්කනෙක්ට්. මේ නිසල් ඔයා මොකද්ද තව එක ඩිවයිස් එකකින් ජොයින් වෙනවද නිසල්? නිසල් are you joining using some other device? නිවෙත් ඔයා රීනේම් කරගන්න ඕන නිවෙත් ආයෙත් ඔයාව ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් වෙයි විනාඩි දෙකකින්. මට විනාඩි දෙකෙන් දෙකට ඔයාව ගන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ඔයා එන ගන්න හැම සැරේම ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් වෙනවා. නිවෙත් can you hear me? Sejan is telling that he has not received his number. Sejan කියන යාගේ number එක තාම හම්බුනේ නැහැලු. Did you check that? Okay, let me check that as well. හරි. ඒකත් බලලා ඉමුකෝ අපි. Right. Now under the operating system I said that is a middleman between you and your computer. Your computer and yourself, it's a middleman, right? So what you need to do is you need to give the command or the requirement to the operating system. Operating system will then send the command to your computer. First you have to give your command to the operating system. Actually the operating system will give the command or instruction to the hardware. But beforehand ඉස්සල්ලාම ඔයා දෙන්න ඕන OS එකට. අපි ලෙටර් එකක් ටයිප් කරන එක දැන් බැලුවා. ඕකේ අපි ඊළඟට බලමු තව මොනවාද මේ operating system එකෙන් කරන්නේ. What else this operating system does, and let's see them in the next. Okay, the other tasks of the operating system, captain, players and different captains, you can see. So this is basically captain is the operating system. ප්‍රධානියා තමයි මේ operating system එක මම කිව්වා. දැන් අපිට zoom වලින් type කරන්න ඕන නම් අපි zoom වලටනේ කියන්නේ. මේ zoom මෙහෙ ඇවිල්ලා මට type කරලා දෙන්න. zoom please type. එතන zoom වලට zoom කියනවා මේක. අපිට මේ z එකකින් කියන්නේ zoom. zoom ගිහිල්ලා කියනවා අපේ OS එකට. OS එක තමයි ගිහිල්ලා කියන්නේ අපේ monitor එකට. ඇත්තටම අපිට ඒ අකුර type කරන්න ඕන monitor එකේ. But ultimately what will happen, first you have the zoom will go and tell that to the OS will go there and tell that to the monitor. So that is basically the captain here, right? That's it. Okay, that is the behavior. And other than that, OS does a lot of jobs, right? Other than that, OS does a lot of jobs. OS is working as the middleman between user and the computer, and also OS is providing user interface to interact with the computer. So these are the functionalities of OS. Let's write down them very quickly. Please write down the heading operating systems. Please write down the heading operating systems. Please write down the heading operating systems. After that, please write down functions of an operating system. Operating system වල ක්‍රියාවලිය මොනවාද? Number 1. Functionality number 1. It works as the middleman between the user and computer hardware. It works as the middleman between user and the computer hardware. It works as the middleman between the computer and user and the computer hardware. It provides the user interface to the users to interact with. It works as a resource manager by managing files, users, hardware, other software, and other software. Files, users, hardware, other software. You can say memory, processors, everything is managed, but according to your level, this is enough. Memory and processors. Okay, please write down this. Please write down this quickly. Right, now operating system functionalities work as a middleman.
Still writing.
Right, one thing is it works as the middleman. The second thing is it provides the user interface. The third thing is it is a resource manager because it will help us manage all these things. Why? How we can install software? Software install කරන්න uninstall කරන්න කලින් OS එක ඕන. මේ OS එකෙන් තමයි software install කරන්න වගේම uninstall කරන්න. උදව් කරන්නේ OS එකේ. Software installation, uninstallation, basically it is by the operating system.
Sir, can you hear?
And also hardware manage. අලුත් hardware එකක් ආවම
Excuse
install
sir, can
කරන්න
you
ඕන
hear me?
වෙනවා. අලුත් software එකක් ආවම install කරන්න ඕන වෙනවා. එතකොට අලුත් hardware එකක්, software එකක්, ඊළඟට memory එකේ ඉඩ manage කරන්න operating system එක, ඊළඟට users ලා manage කරන්න user accounts හදන්න, password දාන්න. ඒවට උදව් කරන්නේ operating system එක. Likewise, there are many functionalities of operating system, and mainly it is the middleman, and also it is the user interfaces, providing the user interface. So, this is ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන්ම operating system making වෙන්නේ. හරි, mainly operating system making වෙන්නේ ඔය වැඩේ. But we have discussed about that now, right? And we have clear idea
Excuse
about
me, sir.
what is operating system and how it works.
Excuse me, sir.
Right, let's do one small task. That
Excuse me,
is
sir.
basically, let's see the difference between CLI and GUI. Let's see the difference between CLI and GUI. In order to see that, you can share your screen. Okay, who can share the screen now? Quickly
Yes.
share your screen.
Sir, Sejan can. Sir, I was writing. Right, I was in the last line. Sir? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, you can share your screen. I'm waiting. You can share your screen. All
Sir,
right,
can you hear
okay.
us? Sir, can you hear us?
Pute, when you are sharing the screen, right? When you are sharing the screen, share the entire screen. Don't just select a window. Window එකක් select කරන්න එපා. මුළු screen එකම share කරන්න. ඔයා screen එකක් window එකක් share කරලා select කරලා share කරලා තියෙන. එහෙම නැතුව මුළු screen එකම share කරන්න. Share the entire screen. Can anybody do that? අර උඩම තියෙන screen කියලා option එකක්. එතනින් share කරන්න. Okay, alright, this is correct. Now, just minimize it. Okay. Let's see the difference between CLI and GUI first. ඒක බලන්න අපි ඉස්සලම CLI එකක් මොන වගේද කියලා බලලා ඉන්න. Go to the search. හරි, search එකට ගිහිල්ලා search එකේ type කරන්න CMD කියලා. CMD. Type CM and D. CMD. CMD. Okay, now you will get command prompt. Open the command prompt. A command prompt එක open කරන්නකෝ. Just open the command. I search කරලා ගන්න. හරි එනවා. Right. So others, please check whether all of you can get this. Go to the search and type CMD. Mama type කරනවා ඔයාලගේ chat එකේ CMD. එතකොට එන්නේ command prompt එක. Open that and you will get this kind of black and white window. And where you can code them, you can give commands and ask various things. This is earlier days operating system looks like this. It's a දැනටත් තියෙනවා. දැනටත් server වල ගොඩක් තියෙන මෙහෙම. ඉස්සර ගොඩක් කම්පියුටර්ස් වල OS එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ මේ විදිහට තමයි ඔන්න එන්නේ කම්පියුටර් එක. දැන් මෙහෙම ඔන්නොත් ඔයාලා බය වෙනවා. ඉස්සර ඔන්න එන්නේ මෙහෙම මොකුත් mouse එකේම වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. කෙලින්ම black and white screen එකේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ අකුරු ටිකක් වෙනවා. Okay, ඔයාලට පුළුවන් commands type කරන්න. You can type commands. Okay, one command that you can type is dir. dir. Then press enter. Okay, dir, press enter, and you will see all the folders in the particular may folder. Ace folder එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම folders ටික පේනවා. And can you see there is a folder called desktop? බලන්න, there is a folder. dir කියලා එන්නේ folders. අන්න ඒක. There is a folder called desktop. If you can see such folder in the desktop, you can go to that folder. Then type කරන්න cd space desktop කියලා. ඔය folder කියනවා cd space desktop.
Sir, could you hear me? Sir, can you hear me?
Okay. Now you are in the desktop. You can type here also. You can type dir command. Here also you can type dir command. dir එක දිගට di no space dir. dir. You can see all the folders and files in the desktop there. Hari ඔය ඔක්කොම commands. And you can type, there is a command called tree. Tree කියලා type කරන්න tree tree. tree tree. tree t නෙමෙයි. tree tree. ගහට කියන්නේ tree. Press enter and you can see all the subfolders and folders and their structure in your desktop. Desktop එකේ තියෙන folder subfolder ඒ වගේ structure එකේ ඇතුලේ තියෙන folders එහෙමම ඔය බලන්න ඔක්කොම ටික ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, these are some commands. Folder එකම හදන්න ඕන you can say md පල්ලයට ගිහලා type කරන්න. You can tell MD. අපි folders 10ක් හදමු. MD space එක space 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space up to 10. 1 කියලා type කරන්න. 1 space MD 1 space 2 is ඔයාගේ ඉලක්කම වදින්නේ නැහැ. වදිනවද? Cannot see any letters. Letter 1, then the space. Letter 2, then the space. Letter 3, then the space. Letter 4, then the space. Likewise, up to letter 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Likewise, you can press enter and go to the desktop and see. Now minimize this and go to the desktop and see. There are 10 folders. Folders 10 හැදිලා තියෙනවා. There are 10 folders. Okay, that's it. Right. So this is how command prompt works. පේනවද command prompt එක වැඩ කරන හැටි?
So how to delete
Okay,
this?
let's see it in some other computers. Desktop තව කාගේ හරි අපි බලමු desktop එකේ. Let's see in some other computer. Who is this? This is all right. Okay. Have you done this? Right. You can minimize this and see. ඔයාලට මේක minimize කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන් desktop එකේ හැදුනද කියලා. දැන් minimize කරාම මට පේන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. මම අර ඉස්සෙල්ලා කිව්වා instruction එකක්. I said you one thing. When you are sharing, share the entire screen. Don't share a window. You have shared a window, therefore I cannot see anything. When you minimize, I will not be able to see. Don't share the window. Don't select a window. You have to select everything. Okay.
Sir, is this correct?
Yes. Yeah. Minimize this and see. Just minimize. Okay, it's correct. Anyone else want to try?
So how to delete this?
You can type RD. Let's delete it. Type RD space. Then same folders. 1 space 2 space 3 space up to 10. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Anyone else?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Oh,
Yes.
no, sir, nothing.
Okay. Can anybody else share the screen? I will tell you, like, I will give you some other command also. Yeah, Niklesh, you can. Okay, this is okay. You have created MD1, 2, 3. Okay. Have you checked the folders in the desktop? I hope yes. Yes, it's all there. Okay, good. And you can RD if you want RD remove directly. RD. Yeah. I will give Niklesh. Don't worry. I will give the next chance to you. You can share the screen. Then type the folder names and you'll be able to delete the folders too. Okay. Great. Right. Yes, Niklesh, you can share it now. Niklesh, quickly do this. Otherwise, somebody else will again share. You have to be hurry. Share the screen. Okay, then. Yeah, this is your one. And can I see your command prompt? You have to search CMD. Yeah, that is your command prompt. Okay, good. Then.
Sir, when we are doing that, can we occur errors?
Can?
We occur errors from the desktop or the internet connection. Then we can't do it.
No, maybe if you type the command in a wrong way, you will get an error.
That means
So let's say you have mistake in your commands, then definitely you will get an error. Only if you have mistakes in your commands. Otherwise, it will work.
yes,
If you have mistake in
showing
your
error
commands, it,
occurred.
sorry,
That's showing error occurred when processing 8, 9, just 3, 4, just 2 folders. But 1,
your
2, 3,
question
4,
is
5.
not so clear. You can share the screen and show me the issue. Your question is not
Okay.
really clear to me. Okay, Niklesh, have you typed the commands? First of all, you have to type dir to see what are the folders there. Type dir and see what are the folders there. Okay. Yes, then you can go to the desktop by typing cd space desktop. cd space desktop to access the desktop. cd and space desktop. To access the desktop. Okay. Desktop. cd desktop. Our desktop is missing there. You don't have desktop ne? Desktop nahi පුතේ වගේ. මෙතන desktop nahi. ඉන්නකො වැඩ කරන්න. Here you cannot see desktop here. You have to go to the OneDrive. cd space OneDrive. වගේ OneDrive එක no උතරින් නෙමෙයි. cd space OneDrive. OneDrive ඇතුලේ වගේ desktop එක ඇත්තේ. That's the reason. cd space OneDrive. Okay. Then type the dir again to see what are the things there. dir doctor කියලා ගැහුවොත් නම් මුකුත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. The command is dir. That's the ඔය වගේ ඉන්න පුළුවන් errors. දැක්කද දැන්? ඔය command errors. Command බාගෙට ගැහුවම එන errors. And now you can see the desktop no. Now you can go to the cd desktop and access the desktop.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How to delete that?
Which?
Those 10 files?
I already said that.
Okay. We'll try.
You have to try the command that I said. That is remove directory rd. No, don't type that. I have given the answer to the question. Now you are in the desktop, you can MD the folders, MD 1 to 10. First listen carefully, right? MD space 1 to 10. Okay, press enter. You will see the folders. Then RD will remove the RD 1 to 10 will remove the folders. You can go to the same command prompt and type RD then you can type same folder set, okay, and delete it. Okay, so let's see how you can change the colors. Let's see how you can change the colors of the command prompt. To do that, you can type the color command. Okay, anybody else need to share the screen? Okay, anybody else wish to share the screen? Can okay, Omit, you have taken one chance, Nick. Let's give it to someone else.
Okay, sir.
Okay, anyone else wish to share? Nisal?
Sir,
Yes, if you want, you can share the screen.
sir, I got a number. I need to put. Do I need to put it rename?
Yeah, and for today it's okay because you have the temporary number. Next day onward, you can put this number.
Okay.
Okay, now please go to the command prompt and you can type color command, COLOR, color. Color, COLOR. COLOR. You cannot erase that. Forget about the mistake, type the command again. COLOR. Color. COL. Delete these characters. You don't want that. You can use backspace to delete. So may I know who's this? Can you follow the instructions, please? Hello? You can backspace this character. You can delete these characters. I have requested you the remote support. You can just give me the remote support. Seems struct or something. All right, okay. Then tama hariyan. Makala type karana color kela. COLOR. Then press enter and that will give the options available for the color. Okay, so actually to see the help, you can say COLOR and / question mark like this, and you will see the help. Okay, all others you can type like this, color / and the question mark, and you can see all the available colors, right? So color 0 to color F.
When we type color command, it is the same.
Command means anything that you type there is a command. Have one of them type command line interface wala type karane commands tama.
That means when we type color command, the same thing is happening.
Type color command kila type karan.
If we
But
type,
you're typing color command. That nothing called command.
okay.
The problem is that it will understand that that is not the valid syntax and trying to help you. That is why you can see these things. It will automatically judge that Chaniru is Tracy is typing some unknown commands, and it's trying to help Chaniru, saying that this is not the way you need to type the command, and these are the accepted ways of typing the command. That is what it's saying. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can press enter, right? How can I change the colors? First of all, you can give the command and then give the color. For an example, you can give, if I give color 0, nothing happens. But if I give color 1, you can see blue color letters in the black color background. If I say color 2, then you will see green color letters in the black color background. But if you need to change both background and foreground, you have to give 2. Something like this. 28. 28 is basically 2 refers green color, 8 refers a gray color. So you can see blue color background, gray color letters. If it is other way, color like color, let's type COLOR for color.
Sir,
yes.
Sir, I'm Sejan. I didn't understand that.
Then you have to share the screen. Which part you didn't understand?
The color making one.
Yeah, still I didn't explain that fully. And one thing that you can do is you can share your screen. Just type the color command, then give the color number.
So when I put that
Share
command,
the screen. Please.
uh,
Can you share the screen?
okay.
Okay, where's the command? Can you type color command? Color. You have not typed the command. Okay, not COLOUR, that is English color. I need the computer color, that is COLOR. COLOUR can English color. This is not English. It's computing. COLOR. Then after that, space. After that, forward slash. After that, the question mark. Forward slash and the question mark. Oh my God. So where's your command? COLOR is the command, color. After that, are you really typing these commands in your screen? Cannot see anything. Okay, COLOR is the command. Then forward slash, space, forward slash, space, forward slash, and then the question mark to get the help. Okay, did you understand that? Did you understand that or not?
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, the example is given. You can see color FC. Color FC. This example is given below. Similar to that, you have to type two colors, COLOR. Then let's say F7. F means bright white. 7 means white. You will not see that. Let's say F9. F9 කිව්වොත් F කියන්නේ bright white background, 9 කියන්නේ light blue. The white background වල light blue වලින් එනවා. F කියන්නේ white නේ. මට ඕන yellow background වල green වලින්. Then I have to type yellow background කියන්නේ 6 නේ. Yellow. ඊට පස්සේ green letters කියන්නේ 2. 6 2. මට ඕන green background black letters. නැත්නම් black background කියන්නේ 0 නේ the black. Green letters කියන්නේ 2. Okay. Likewise, I can get different colors in my string. Understood? You can give any color combination and change this as you wish.
In the past, this is the computer, this screen.
Yeah, in the past, all these were like commands. In the past, nothing was running this way.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's not working for my side now.
It's not working in your side.
Yeah, it's not working for my one. My count.
Okay.
Command.
Share the string quickly, very quickly. Okay, your command is wrong, simply. Others can advise Omid. What is wrong with Omid command?
Sir, I first did this and it came, but when I add 3 and all the stuff, it doesn't work.
No, others can advise Omid. Hello, Chaniru, can you tell Omid what's wrong there?
And I can see after that program that the ones that the table he must type after that color and the number.
Yeah, so the command is incomplete. Command is incomplete. So can anybody tell the complete command?
Color 2 or color 4?
Yes. The color need to be there. So where's the color? Without typing the color command, can you type just 2? The computer, if the computer can understand, and if computer can understand, actually, if computer has actuator or computer has a hand or something, definitely
It works now.
it will put the hand out and hit you hard. Do you think I am crazy? The computer will ask, do you think I am crazy? To understand the numbers, just numbers without the command. Command and command, you have to give the numbers to the command. But without the command, you give the numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So let's stop sharing.
Yeah.
When we go to the what?
So,
Command.
who is joining with the name Sumadi Samaravira? So, please note that you will be disconnected very soon because we cannot see your number. And who's joining with the name Sumadi Samaravira will be disconnected very soon because we cannot see your registration number. Okay.
And then
All right. Now we understood what is CLI, command line interface. And GUI, or the graphical user interface, is a very simple thing to understand. That is what we are using in everyday life. You have different things like icons, you have menus, these textual commands are menus, icons, and you have windows. You can minimize, maximize, close. These are windows, maximize, restore down, minimize, close. These are basically the windows, icons, menus, as well as graphics.
Excuse me, sir.
Please write down there. GUI has windows, icons, small pictorial representations to activate commands. හරි මේ පින්තූර උඩ ක්ලික් කරාම කමාන්ඩ් එකක් රන් වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි වෙනස. අරකේ නිකන් කමාන්ඩ් එක ලියන්න එපා. මේකේ පින්තූර මේ දැන් මෙතන තියෙන bold කියන මේක උඩ ක්ලික් කරාම කමාන්ඩ් එකක් රන් වෙනවා. I අපුඩ උඩ ක්ලික් කරාම තව කමාන්ඩ් එකක් රන් වෙනවා. These are basically small pictorial representation of the icons. Then you have menus. What are these menus? Menus are small textual representations. Not small actually, textual representation. Or representation to activate the command. Maintain, edit, cut, edit, undo, edit, repeat. These are textual and graphics. And pointers. Pointers කියලා කියන්නේ මේ screen එකේ එහා මෙහා යන්න අපිට මේ mouse point එකක් තියෙන්නේ. ඒ ඔක්කොම එන්නේ GUI වල. GUI has all these components. Okay, done.
Yes, I'm still writing. Wait.
Okay.